Krishna's speaking contradictory statements, telling them to return home. But it's contradictory. What Krishna's telling the gopis is contradictory to all the statements that he speaks in Shastras. Because in the Shastras he says, "Oh, if anyone comes to me, I'll always have my shelter, I'll always protect them." This is what he says. He says, when one attains Krishna's eternal association in the spiritual world by a life of love and pure devotion, then one never returns to the material world. So Goloka Vrindavan, of course I'm hedging on that already, Goloka Vrindavan is the land of no return. That's that. So Krishna is saying in 5 different verses in Gita that one who comes to me never returns. So you come to Krishna, natad basaite suryo, na shashanko napavaka, yadgatva nanivartate, taddamam paramam mama. So when one comes, taddamam paramam mama, when one comes to the taddam, when one comes to that paramam mama, which is it's mama, paramam, it's my greatest transcendental abode. In other words, when one comes to me, and what is my place like? It's self-effulgent. It's what is the light that you find in Vrindavan? The light in Vrindavan is not the light of the sun or the moon. Na shashanko napavaka. It says, na shashanko napavaka. Krishna is telling this in 15th chapter of Gita, verse number 6. I think so. 15:6. He says, na shashanko. In my place, there's no moon planet. And who's sitting on the moon planet? Shashanka. And the word Shashanka in Sanskrit means Khargosh. Khargosh in Hindi means rabbit. You know. So Shashanka, there's a rabbit in the moon. You saw? I saw. You'll see in a few days if there's not too much air pollution. You'll see when you look at the moon, the rabbit is not looking at you and smiling for a selfie. He's a little shy. So he's not looking, he's standing sideways because it's standing, not looking at you, it's standing on the side. So if the full moon, if we're favored with lots of wind and you can see it, you could see it easily a few years ago here. You'll see the side of the rabbit, and you'll see his side of his head, like the rabbit's head, like it is. Then you'll see 2 ears, black things going up, and it's clear, without a doubt, it's the rabbit in the moon. It's not the Hindu blind vision, it's exactly what it is. It's not the man in the moon, or it's not the man in the cheese, or whatever. Or it's not, or the Chinese and Japanese, the Chinese say something else. They say each culture has some idea, but with all respect, the Vedic culture and the Vedic rishis, they give the clearest conception of reality. Because it, in fact, is a rabbit without argument. It's clear. Confirmed. Why is there no argument? Because God is saying it. Na shashanko na pavakaha, na shashanka. Shanka means the rabbit. So there's no rabbits here. There are rabbits, little white ones around. You see in the paintings. Why do the Rasik Janas, when they paint Madhurya Ras, they paint rabbits? Because rabbits, female rabbits and male rabbits, they really like to rabbit around. They're really rabid about being rabbits. Just to be a little playful, because even English can be like Sanskrit.